Founder and CEO of a company called www.dineout.co.in. We are an online restaurant reservation website wherein a user can come to our website, book tables at some of the best 200 restaurants in Delhi NCR and get fantastic discounts absolutely free of charge. So we've taken away the hassles of coupons, printable vouchers and everything out of the whole equation, and now someone just has to book a table through us. We send them an automated SMS and they just need to flash that at the restaurant to avail the discounts. So basically it's a very interesting story. I was an investment banker in London for the last 10 years and I was talking just one day with my old school friend Sahil over the phone, and we just thought, why not move back to India and do something interesting? And being passionate lifelong foodies, we thought what better way to target the new upcoming market except the food market. And we just decided to come back, quit our jobs and move back and launched Dineout. And it's been 6 months since we launched. We partnered already with 200 of the best restaurants in town and are currently catering to 8,000 customers a month. It's been a roller coaster ride so far, as in a lot of ups and downs. But the main challenge I would say is, to going from a place where you're earning good money to being your own boss and actually hiring people and finding the right people. That has been one of the most important challenges which all of us have faced. But we've been very lucky as well because me and Sahil in this venture were joined by two of our other schoolmates really early on. So the four of us really built this business up, and now in the 6 months we've grown from a team of 4 to a team of 15. There are quite a few entrepreneurs that I really want to follow, and for me personally, Richard Branson would be one example who's built everything from ground up. But just what inspires us every day is the satisfaction that our customers, the satisfaction that our customers receive, from our service, and we get a lot of appreciation mails daily telling us how fantastic our service is, and that's what pushes us and motivates us to even, go further and give that extra mile. That's a very interesting question because actually we've already received our first round of funding. But yes, we are looking for our next round, and that is obviously to expand to other cities and to scale up our operations. So we are with our first round of funding, we're already moving to Mumbai, probably by the end of the year or the first quarter of next year. But then from there on is when we really need to make a push, and that is what our next round of funding would help achieve. If it was easy, everyone would have been doing it left, right, and center. No, so it was quite challenging. Mainly because you are convinced about your own idea and you obviously have put your whole life and energy into it, but convincing someone else to buy into your dream, that is actually the most difficult thing to do. But what helped us in this route was that our numbers speak for ourselves. Since we've grown a lot, catering to a lot of customers, and that's what helped us in our case. And I think what I would really suggest to anyone looking for funding is basically always you got to believe in your dream, and if you can sell, you need to actually believe in it before you can actually make someone else believe in it. So I think to get the right people, and if you want to build a great company, you have to really let go of some equity. So our first two people who joined us, we obviously had to share some equity with them, and that helped us form a very core team. And our subsequent employees, we have had to offer them ESOPs, of course. But obviously, what really inspired us was the fact that we had people who joined us at less than half their market salaries. And when someone does that, that they believe in your dream, and as a result, that is the most important thing. There's no better time to do it than now. If you keep procrastinating, it's never going to happen. So now is the time to do it instead of thinking 5 years later, because the younger you are, the easier it is for you to fail and to get up than the older you get.